Hello friends, today our topic is throwing style of shot put. Throwing, send suddenly into a particular state or a condition, or toss or hurl. Style, procedure or manner or method of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of shot put, an athletic contest in which a very heavy a round ball is thrown as far as possible. There are three styles of throwing shot put. Means there are three particular procedures method by which shot putter can able to throw the iron ball. The details of each styles are as listed below. Means the full information about particular procedure or method of listed below means marked as under. Perry-Ovarian styles means a Perry-Ovarian developed the new style by himself and it was ultimately adopted by all shot putters developed by Perry-Ovarian of US. The style involved a 180-degree turn rather than usual 90-degree turn across the ring, getting more speed and momentum into the action. Perry-Ovarian was first athlete for over 40 years to retain his Olympic titles. The full name of Perry-Ovarian was William Patrick Perry-Ovarian. From January 28, 1932 to April 21, 2007 was an American shot putters champion. He competed in 4 consecutive Summer Olympics where he won 2 gold medals and 1 silver. In his last Olympic he placed 4th. For all these accomplishments, Varian was inducted into the IAAF and US Olympic Halls of Fame. He also won a silver medal in 1960 and is credited with developing the glide technique. Means in 1960, Perry-Ovarian won silver medal and his new style was successful, that is a gliding technique, allowing him to break 17 world records in shot put from 1953 to 1959. Sometime known as Ovarian technique, means at some unspecified or unknown time it is known as a Ovarian method, which involves the putters facing backwards at the rear of the ring and then rotating through 180 degree before releasing the shot. Means the shot putter while throwing in disco put style, his face is looking backward and moving his body position 180 degree before throwing the shot put. Disco put styles means with this technique a right hand thrower faces the rear and begin to spin on the ball of the left foot. The thrower comes around and faces the front of the circle and drives the right foot into the center of the circle. The shot is raised over the head. The wrist is bent facing upward. The ball rests as the base of the fingers. Means in disco put style, the iron ball is elevated to a higher position or level the head. Wrist means the joint connecting the hand with the forearm is bent by indicating upward, then the ball rests at the foundation of the fingers. The shot is then placed on the neck of under the jaw with the thumb touching the collarbone. Means the shot putters keep the position of the shot put near the neck and below the jaw. while thumb is touching either of the pair of bones joining the breastbone to the shoulder blades. The ideal path of the shot is straight as possible from position to release. Means the suitable way for the shot is straight and likely mean capable of place to release, with a gradual increase in the height of the ball from the start of the glide. Means progressing slowly or by a degrees to make an unpowered flight either in a glider. This is called disco put style, means make an unpowered flight given to iron ball, that is called a disco put style. Orthodox style. With this technique, right hand thrower faces the rear and begins to spin on the ball of the left foot. Finally, the thrower reached for the front of the circle with the left foot, twisting the hips and shoulders like in the glide, and puts the shot. The rotational grip is the same as the glide grip. Means the rotational grip is the positioning of shot is necessary to counteract the centrifugal force that tries to pull the shot away from the neck of the thrower, and is similar to glide grip. Means extend your left leg toward the target area and push off with your right foot, gliding to the front of the circle while keeping your center of mass low. Place shot in the base of your fingers, not in the palm, and spread your fingers slightly. Push the shot firmly against your neck in a comp state positions. Means keep the shot put on the surface of your fingers and not base it on the concave part of the human hand. Lay out your fingers softly. Exert force on the shot put with little possibility against the neck and give away free, especially as a part of a promotion. You may wish to experiment with the axle placement to see what works for you. Means that you do something test with the shine positioning to see the things can work for you or not. Spinners tends to hold the shot further back. Means an shot putter who is expert in spinning the shot, he carry out the shot at a greater distance in time or space closer to the ear, while the gliders generally keep the shot closer to the chin. Means keep the shot put close to the ear, and athlete who glides in the air keep the shot put closer to the lower portion of the face, lying below the lower hip and including lower lip and including the prominence of the lower jaw. Your thumb should be under the shot with you throwing elbow pointed outward away from your body. Means the shot thick first digit of the human hand should be at lower level of the shot put. The joint between forearms and the upper arms indicating from the outside apart from the physical structure. Thanks and have a nice